Hello, I'm Senator Dr. Wanda Thomas Bernard. I am a senator representing the province of Nova Scotia, but also as a social worker, I feel that I represent social workers in the Senate as well. I maintain my license as a social worker because I believe it's really important that my social work identity be visible in my work in the Senate. I think that as a social worker who just happens to be serving the country as a senator, I try to bring that social work lens to all of the work. So whether it be a committee study that we're doing, or legislation, or conversations even with people about the development of legislation, I always try to do that from that lens of social work. I currently am supervising a student who's joined our team. And just today, we were having a conversation about social work, and the student was asking me about some of my early work in the field. And as a social worker whose career now spans 5 decades, I would say that one of the things that's always sort of characterized my work is uh, doing social work, pushing and fighting for change, social change, and social justice. And when I think about the future of social work, I would say that we're still doing the same thing. And we need to do it even more effectively, if we can, if that's even possible. I think we have to have a deeper commitment to working with those marginalized voices and facilitating their empowerment. When I think about social work and the future of social work, I see ideally we would be working ourselves out of a job. But I know that's a long ways off. As a senator who happens to be a social worker, I want to wish every social worker a happy Social Work Month. The theme for this year speaks to my heart and my passion. Social work is everywhere, and social workers are needed everywhere. And in every field, every space that we work in, when we bring our authentic selves into those spaces, when we work together for change, when we lead the change we want to see, I believe that social workers make a difference in all of our communities from coast to coast to coast. Happy Social Work Month to every social worker who's practicing, every student who's aspiring to become a social worker, and those who are thinking about whether or not they want to make social work a career. As someone who's been in the field for a long time, I can honestly say I still love it. I made the right decision to go into social work. Thank you.